Welcome. We have a very special surprise for you today. This is a completely 90s playlist. Playlist 7 is all 90s all the time. So we are here to do our Dumbbell Beats class. It's going to be 30 minutes. You need a set of light weights and a set of heavy weights for you, or you can use cans, you can use bottles, you can use whatever you want. And we're going to start with a little warm up, bit dancey, then we're going to get into the weights. Let's do it. All right, let's get to lifting. Our first weight song is going to be biceps and triceps. We're going to start with a kickback. So you're going to lean forward, hinging at the hip, flat back, and you're going to just raise your weight up in the back one at a time. You don't want your elbow to be going out chicken winging. You're going to kind of fuse your elbows to your body. Then we're just going to do basic cross curl, kind of like a bicep curl, but you're crossing your chest. And then a hammer curl. A hammer curl is like you're holding a mug. So it's not like this. You're holding it this way for the hammer curl. You got this. our next song is going to be squats and lunges. We are going to start off with squatting, just regular squats, down for 2. Make sure your feet are about hip width apart. It can be a bit wider if you need. And then we're going to do a little bit of a groove to the side, back to the middle, and then a squat. Easy peasy. Okay, I'd say medium to heavy weights for this one. Again, it's all in suitcase carry, so it's not like you're going to be up here with your weights.
Story goes, baby, now I got the flow, 'cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I'd win. Your love to mine. All those times I said that I love you. Your love to mine. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. Your love to mine. Even though you know I'd die for you. Your love to mine. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried. Return of the man. It is. Return of the man. Come on. You know that I've been there. Here I am. Return of the man. Once again. Return of the man. Top of the world. Return of the man. Watch my flow. You know that I've been there. Here I go. So I'm back up in the game. Running things to keep my swine. Letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. 'Cause what you did, you know was wrong. And all the nasty things you done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. Your love to mine. She said she'd never turn on me. Your love to mine. But you did, but you did. Your love to mine. All this pain you said I'd never feel. Your love to mine. But I do, do. Return of the man. It is. Return of the man. Hold on. Return of the man. Don't you know? You know that I've been there. Here I go. Return of the man. A little girl. Return of the man. Once more pearl. Return of the man. Up and down. You know that I've been there. Round and round. Your love to mine. She said she'd never turn on me. Your love to mine. But you did, but you did. Your love to mine. All this pain you said I'd never feel. Your love to mine. But I do, do. Return of the man. It is. Return of the man. Come on, you know that I've been there. Here I am. Return of the man. Once again. Return of the man. Top of the world. Return of the man. You know that I've been there. Don't you know? Return of the man. It is. Return of the man. Hold on. Return of the man. Be strong. You know that I've been there. Here I go. Return of the man. My little girl. Return of the man.
Way to go, guys. That one's not easy. Nice work. All right, we're moving on to the shoulders, and we are going to do a move here where you're going to hold your dumbbells like this, like 2 mugs. You're holding it up, and then what you're going to do is you're fuse your elbow to your side. You're going to open a door, close the door, open the other door, and then both open at the same time. You should feel this only between your shoulder blades, not in your lower back at all, okay? Then we're going to do some overhead press. I'm thinking probably a lighter weight or a light to medium weight for this song would
All the small things, true care, truth brings. I'll take one lift, you're right, best trip. Always, I know
song is deadlifts and curtsy lunges and calf raises. So let's just talk about the deadlift really quickly. When we're doing a deadlift, we got a nice flat back, shoulder blades squeezed together, arms to your armpits, and you're just gonna go down with a flat back and then back up, hinging at the hip. With the curtsy lunge, we're gonna go this way first. We're gonna put the leg behind and just cross lunge, and then we're gonna come back to the center, okay? Calf raises is just standing on one foot, standing up on the other tippy toe, and then both for 2. Kira's gonna stay on 2 feet the whole time.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. Only shooting stars break the mold. It's a cool place, and they say it gets colder. You're bundled up now, wait till you get older. But the media men beg to differ, judging by the hole in the satellite picture. The ice we skate is getting pretty thin. The water's getting warm, so you might as well swim. My world's on fire, how about yours? That's the way I like it, and I'll never get bored. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold.
Go for the moon. Go for the moon.
Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. And all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars. Somebody once asked, could I spare some change for gas? I need to get myself away from this place. I said, yep, what a concept. I could use a little fuel myself, and we could all use a little change. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Back to the rules and I'll hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. And all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. And all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold.
Good? Yeah, good job. Great job. We are moving down to the mat. So grab yourself a mat or a soft surface to lay down on. We're going to be doing chest press or floor press, however you want to call it. So that is just laying here. You're going to take your hands with the dumbbells up here, and then you're going to bring them up and closer together. You think about your elbows coming close together, like you're giving someone a hug for your chest press or bench press. You're going to have straight arms at the top. The only other move in this song is that we are going to be going leg raise, like that. Simple, right? We thought you needed a simple routine. Every time he says, woohoo, do your bench press or your floor press.
I got my head checked.
problem. It's not my problem. When I feel heavy metal, and I feel that I need a when I lie and I'm easy all of the time, but I'm never sure why I need you. Please I need you.
Put them down. All right, you are done with your weights. You can put them away. We're moving on to abs. We're moving on to our ab track, and we're going to start with something called a cat-cow. So you're actually going to put your hands underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips. And what we're going to do is we're going to breathe in. Fill your belly with air, chin goes up to the sky, and then when you breathe out, engage pelvic floor, round out the spine, and bring your chin to your chest. It's nice and easy at the beginning, and we're going to do some other movements, but that's kind of the main one that I want you to get. Okay,
it doesn't take a scientist to understand what's going on, baby. If you see something in my eye, let's not overanalyze. Don't go too deep with it, baby. So let it be what it'll be. Don't make a fuss and go crazy over you and me. Here's what I'll do, I'll play loose. Not like we have a date with destiny. Adrenaline, you're banging on a heart attack. Please don't make too much of it, baby. Say the word forevermore. That's not what I'm looking for. All I can commit to is maybe. So let it be what it'll be. Don't make a fuss and get crazy over you and me. Here's what I do, I'll play loose. Not like we have a date with destiny. It's just
took those words away. Then you couldn't make things new just by saying I love you.
Deep breath in, let it out, and give yourself a round of applause. Thank you so much for joining us for the 90s playlist, and stay tuned for more decades. Great job.